In this tutorial, I'll show you how to play Steam games from an external SSD and HDD. By the end, you'll have Steam set up to install and run games directly from your external solid-state drive or hard drive so you can save internal space and keep everything organized. First, connect your external SSD or HDD to your computer. Use a stable USB port and cable, and wait a moment for the drive to appear in your operating system. You should see it show up as a drive letter on Windows or as a mounted drive on Mac OS or Linux. Now, open Steam. If you're prompted to log in, sign in as usual. Once Steam is open, go to Settings. On Windows and Linux, click Steam at the top left and select Settings. On Mac OS, click Steam in the menu bar, then Settings. In the Settings panel, click Storage. This is where Steam manages its game library folders and install locations. Click Add Drive. Steam will scan for available storage devices. A list of drives will appear. Select your external drive carefully. Look for the drive letter or name that matches your external SSD or HDD to avoid choosing the wrong location. Next, click Add Library Folder. Steam will create a new Steam library on that external drive. This folder is where games will be installed and run from. If Steam asks to confirm the folder location, accept it and let it finish. This doesn't move existing games. It only adds a place where new games can be installed. From here, install games to the external drive. Keeping new installs on the external SSD or HDD ensures you can play Steam games from that external storage without using up internal space. Go to Library. This is your list of games. Select the game you want to install, then click Install. Steam opens the installation window with options for where to install the game. Choose your external SSD or HDD as the location. Use the Choose Location for Install or Install To. Drop down and pick the library folder you just added on the external drive. Double check you've selected the external drive, especially if you have multiple libraries. Click Install. Steam will start downloading and installing the game directly to the external drive. You can watch the progress in the download section. While it installs, keep the drive connected and avoid unplugging it to prevent errors. Once the install completes, the game is ready to launch from your library. Since it's installed on the external SSD or HDD, you can keep your internal storage free. Anytime you install another game, repeat the same install steps and choose the external library location. A few quick reminders to keep things smooth as you use Steam with an external drive. Make sure the drive is connected before opening Steam, so your external library is detected immediately. If you disconnect the drive later, games stored there will show as not installed until you reconnect it. If you use a USB hub, plug into a quality-powered port to ensure consistent performance, especially for larger games. And when you're done playing, close Steam before disconnecting the drive to avoid file access issues. That's it. Your Steam client now has an external library set up, and your selected games are installed on the external SSD or HDD. You can install future games to the same location and play them from the external drive whenever it's connected. Everything is configured and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.